What is up, guys? Today we have the Polaris Freedom Pool Cleaner here, and this thing is amazing. Now, this is Polaris's first ever cordless pool robot cleaner here, and it works really well. So the way that this Freedom Cleaner works is it has a lithium-ion battery built into it, and it's rechargeable, so you can actually place it on a docking station that it provides you. This is the charging station right here, and you place this robot right on top onto these little metal plates here, and you line it up and it charges. It's actually really cool. It has a little mirror right here that reflects the indicator, so it'll actually show you if the battery's charged or not. That's actually really awesome. So one thing I do want to mention about this charging station is that the manufacturer recommends that when you're taking this robot out of the pool, that you at least dry it before placing it on this charging station here. I always wipe my cleaner down first before placing this on the actual charging station. So make sure you keep that in mind. All cordless chargers do the same thing. They require you to dry it out before placing it on the charger. So one of the cool things about this Polaris Freedom is the fact that it works over Wi-Fi. But I don't want to say that you actually have to use the app here. You can just use this manually. You do not need to use Wi-Fi. You do not need to download the app. But if you do, you get a few extra features. You get 2 extra cleaning modes. You get notifications on how much time is left on your cleaner and when it's done, and you get the option to control it to tell it to get out of the pool. It'll actually come to the water line and let you pull it out of the pool. So that's actually really great. Really cool features to have, but not necessary. So you don't actually need to use it with the app. Works amazingly well just by itself as a manual cleaner here. Alright guys, so let's actually talk about the Freedom here, the actual robot itself. First and foremost, this comes in at only 20 pounds. So this is actually a very lightweight pool cleaner. I've used other premium pool cleaners before with the exact same features as this, but at double the weight. So it actually weighs more. This is only 20 pounds, so it's actually really great for people that have a hard time lifting heavy things. First thing you'll notice about this cleaner is the way it looks. It actually has a very sleek and sporty look to it there. It's actually really cool. It actually looks like there's racing stripes on the side there. It's actually awesome. It's got these big track wheels, just kind of like a tank on both sides of this cleaner here. And what this does is basically help it stick to the floors and surfaces of your pool. This Freedom Cleaner actually cleans your floors, your walls, and the water line of your pool. So every inch of your pool, it works really well. Now, in terms of scrubbing power, take a look at these big giant brushes here. These are double helix brushes here. So what that means is that not only does it knock away debris, it actually knocks it inwards into itself, where the suction up into the vacuum here. It works better than regular big brushes. Another thing you notice about this cleaner is the fact that it has a transparent lid right here, which is awesome. You can actually see right into your canister that you open up just like this. Makes it very easy to take out just like that. You can see it's a big canister for your debris there, and easy to pop right back in and close just like that, and you're good to go. So like I said, you don't actually have to use the app to use this robot. On the back right here are your controls here for your actual robot here. Take a look right here. You can see the battery indicator there. This is a lever that controls basically if you're turning your power on or if you're switching the modes here. If I turn it to the left here, it actually lights up. As you can see, there are 2 different images here. The mode at the bottom here is actually the mode where it cleans just the floor of your pool. If you switch it again, it'll move up to the top mode here, which shows arrows in all 3 sections. That means it cleans the floor, the walls, and the water line of your pool here. And you go ahead and turn this on by switching the lever to the right here, to the play button right here, just like this. That indicator lights up, and what you'll notice is that it's on, but it's actually not moving. And that's actually a really great feature of this robot. What it does is it doesn't actually move in the pool until it senses water. So let's go ahead and put this in the pool, and I'll show you how well it works. All right guys, so I'm over here at the edge of my pool here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put him inside just like this. And I'm not just, tossing them into the pool. I just lightly set them into the pool, and it'll fill up and it'll go down there. And take a look at that. It looks like it turned on, and immediately it's moving there, and it looks like it's going right towards my wall here, and it's starting to climb up my wall. and it will actually reach the water line of my wall very easily. It's already starting to clean the water line of my wall. Right when I turn it on, it already climbed up the wall, and look at those brushes there. It's really scrubbing that wall there. Awesome. Okay guys, so take a look at the Freedom here. It looks like he's going straight for my steepest step here. This step is about 4 feet tall, and it looks like the Freedom will actually try and climb this step here, and it actually does it really well. It does it very often. It is again 4 feet tall, and look at it climb right up to the step, and it actually climb up to the water line right here as well. There you go, right there, right up there, and it cleans that. All right, guys, so take a look at the Freedom here. It goes right over my main drain, really easy, just like that. It doesn't get stuck. It's actually really great because a lot of cleaners will get stuck on the main drain. This Freedom does not. Okay, guys, so this is a cordless pool robot, and he's a great cordless pool robot. So you're probably wondering, how do I get this guy out of the pool? Well, there are 3 ways you can do that. First, it takes about 2.5 hours for a full run cycle. At the last 10 minutes of that run cycle, it will actually climb the water line of your pool and basically let you pull it out of the pool. So that's one way. The second way is actually through the iAqualink app. You can actually tell it to basically get out of the pool, and he'll go to the edge of the pool for you to take him out. Now, the third way to do this is manually. It actually comes with this retrieval hook right here. And it's really simple to use. All you need is your own pole. It does not come with a pole here. And you attach it just like any other brush here. Just put it right inside like so. Just like that. And it's in there. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take this guy out. It's pretty much just like you're fishing here. So I'm going to aim for him right here. And you want to grab him at the hook of the tip of it there, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and pull him out just like so. And just go ahead and grab them right here like this. Go ahead and let all that water drain out, and the moment it actually senses it's out of the pool, it'll turn itself off. So that's actually really cool. So overall, if you guys are looking for a really great pool cleaner, one that's cordless so it'll never get tangled, one that cleans your floors, your walls, and your water line, one that's rechargeable with an easy to use, easy to see canister, and one with the option to use Wi-Fi. You can basically control this guy from anywhere in the world, then the Polaris Freedom is definitely the way to go. Definitely a cleaner I recommend.
We hope this review helps.